Creator Studio. It's one of the most useful tools at your disposal that will help you craft and manage your videos. It will be your best friend in creating and managing content across Facebook. Creator Studio is a service that provides singular, hyper-focused place for creators and publishers to do the following. First, it's used for publishing content easily across Facebook. You can switch between your accounts and manage or compare content across all of your pages, publish content, organize posts, and respond to your audience all in one place. It also helps understand insights about your audience and content performance. You'll be able to see how your posts are performing, understand your returning viewers, and target your audience based on these patterns. It will also allow you to manage monetization products such as ad breaks, which is the thing that we are aiming for in this course. You can add and manage the ad breaks, and you have inserted into your videos to help you monetize your content. You can also view insights as it relates to these products to better understand your audience and earnings. As you can see in the right side of the display, this is how it looks. In the left side, we have Home, Content Library, we have Insights, Monetization, Rights Manager, Inbox, Pages, and Sound Collection. In the right side here, you can see that we can choose the account or the Facebook page that we want to manage. Now, if you want, you can visit it by clicking here. We will provide the course material in PDF format with the introduction of this course. You can download it and get the link. Just click here. Now, as you can see, this is the main area. Here you can choose any of your pages if you want to manage any of these. I selected all of them. I have more than 50 pages so that I can control them. You can deselect any of these easily. Then you can click apply. If you want to connect them all, you can select all, unselect all. Next thing, here you can post something. It will help you select the page that you want to post to. As you can see, once I selected the page, let me repeat this step for you. Post something, select the page. Let's say that I want to select this page, New Tech Geeks. It will allow you to create any type of posts and write anything, just like Facebook newsfeed. But this is one place that have it all. Now you can add a photo, a poll, a video. You can even create a live video, or you can create an event, an offer, or a job. The next thing that you can do is uploading video. This is the feature that we want, and this is the feature that we are aiming for from this course. We want to upload videos to our Facebook pages that are eligible for monetization. Simply click upload video. It will ask you, do you want to upload a single video, multiple videos, or post video across pages? This feature will help you post the same video across multiple Facebook pages in just few steps. And instead of going to each page and upload the same video, you can post the same video to multiple pages using this button. Now, if you want to upload a single video, you can click single video and choose your video so that you can upload it, and then you'll choose your page. We'll talk about this feature in another lesson. Now let's check other features in this Creator Studio. Here you can change the account that you use to manage pages. So if you have more than one account, you can view them here. This is the notification area. You can get all of your notifications from all of your pages here. Here you have an insight. As you can see, the engagement, the minutes viewed, 150 minutes, the net follower, 74. This is for the last 7 days. And regarding posts, this account isn't active, so I'm not posting a lot. We have in the last 28 days, 0 scheduled posts, 0 draft, 0 expiring post. Now, if you want to post to your timeline, you can simply see all of these here. These are the latest posts in your timeline, in your pages timeline. So all of your pages timeline posts will appear here, as you can see, from multiple pages. Now, if you are here and you want to create a new post, you can simply click the plus sign at the bottom right corner and either create post, upload video, go live, or post video across pages. It's the same as the one up here. Now, if you have an Instagram account, you can connect it. Click right now and connect your Instagram account. It has a lot of features and it will help you manage all of your pages. Now, let's look at the left side. Here we have a content library. If you clicked on it, you can see posts. Here is your posts and the engagement. As you can see, all of your posts from all of your pages. You can see your scheduled posts, draft, expired, and expiring. You can even upload videos from here. Now, if you clicked under content library, here is a list of videos you can cross-post. And you can see that we don't have any post here that we can cross-post. And this means cross-post video is Facebook will allow you to upload the same video from one of your pages to other pages. Here is a playlist. If you are creating playlist for your videos, you can check them here. As you can see, you can create new playlist. Select the page that you want to create the new playlist in. Select the playlist title, the description, just like YouTube, and you can even choose a cover image. Now, let's move on. You can check the insights here. As you can see, performance. Here is the posts from last 7 days. You can change this to last 18, this quarter, this month. And let's check this quarter. As you can see now, we have 986 3-second video view, more than 2000 minutes viewed, 41 engagement, 582 net followers, and here is a draft of the minutes viewed. Here's the organic. I didn't make any advertisement for my videos, so there is no paid. Here's the posted. We don't have cross-posted, but here is shared videos. You can choose what you want to show here. As you can see, this is just the organic, and this is the posted, as you can see. Okay, now top videos. Here is a list of the top videos. As you can see, minutes viewed per video, the engagement, the 3-second video view. So here is top pages. This is a very useful insight. Minutes viewed. These insights are for videos. Minutes viewed, engagement, 3-second video view, net follower, etc. You can check loyalty insights, grow and support a community of viewers who come back to watch your videos. Keep track of when you gain new followers and how often they are watching, and when people are returning to watch most often. This is a very good place. It helps you see how many viewers did return to your page to watch the same video or another video. And here you have the number of complete views, the number of people who did view your video from the first second to the last second. And here is the net follower that you gained from videos, 582. Returning viewers, as you can see, everything is showing in graphs so that you can easily see all of these. I didn't enable the Facebook video earnings, so the earnings section here will be empty. Now when it comes to inbox, you can see here that we have collection of pages. You can select the pages that you want to see the messages from here, and you can directly respond to every message. Here you have monetization. You can check if you are eligible for monetization or not by selecting the page that you want to monetize. The rights manager is a very useful tool. It shows you exactly once you start uploading video and monetize them, it will show you if your videos have copyright claims. The sound collection is a very useful feature. You can simply download any of these sounds and use them in your video. You can even search. Let's search for Bob. As you can see, click the download and you'll get the MP3 file for free. You can even download sound effects, as you can see, so that you can use them with your video. If you click pages, you will see a list of your pages. As you can see, the number of followers, your role, and the page roles. So basically this is a place where you can add content, upload videos, and do a lot of things in one place. You can manage all of your social media, uploading, responding to messages, posts from this one place. You can control all of your pages if you have more than one, and you can upload videos for monetization. In the next lesson, we will talk about how to upload your first video to start monetizing your content. Thanks for watching this lesson. This is Moneymakers Academy.